Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn essential drawing setting in FreeCAD. We will learn what are the best settings while making any drawing in FreeCAD. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. You can also download my tutorial source file from here. You can also support my work by buying my free CAD crash course for beginner. It is a very basic level course for the beginner user where a beginner user can master the free CAD. And you can also support my work on coffee.com. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You will get my website link and my Ko-Fi donation page link in a video description. So activate the Tech Draw workbench and go to the edit and then go to the preferences, and under the preferences click on the Tech Draw workbench, and here on the journal tab keep drawing update setting as default. Label font, you can choose font as per your requirement, and the label size is 5. If you wanted to change the label size, you can change it. Label size is basically the name. For example, this is the right view, so this right text is a label size, and you can change it as per your visibility. If you are using a larger sheet, then you can change it. Now the projection angle, there are the first and third angle projection is available. If you are living in US, then you can choose the third angle or with respect to your country. And hidden line type keep dashed. So hidden line means if I on the hidden line in this view, then this whole will become in a hidden, and that will be the dashed line. And here is a settings for the default template directory. You can give your default template path by browsing. And now move to the scale tab. In scale tab, page scale is 1, and now I show you what is the page scale. So if you go here on page, here you will get the scale. So this scale is 1 because in my settings my scale is a 1. If I keep it 2 times, then my scale will be here in 2 times, so my view will be the larger what you are seeing now. Now next is a view scale type. Here you can set view scale type as per page, auto or custom. If you select the page, so it will get the default scale you have set for your page scale. If you set here 5 times, then your page scale view will be the 5 times, or you can set to the custom. Now vertex scale is a 1, center mark scale is a 0.5. You can change as per your requirement. Now move to the dimensions tab. Here on the dimensions tab you can select your standard. If you are using the ASME, then you can select ASME, and if you are using ISO, you can use ISO. Now alternate decimal and dimension format, font size, you can change the font of your dimension. For only change if you are using the larger scale. Now move to the annotation tab. In annotation tab you will get here line standard ISO or NC, and keep all this setting as default. Now go to the colors. Here you will get the color customization settings. I also recommend to keep it as default. This also keep as default. and this also keep as a default. So this is the essential drawing settings for FreeCAD. Now let's see one example. Here is a model, and now we will place the view for this model. So I will switch to the top view. Now I select my body and click on insert projection group. So here on insert projection group I will select the third angle, and I will select current view, top view, left and right view, and I will say OK. So once I click on OK, that 4 view got placed here. Now I will move my view, and I will turn off the frame from here, and if I wanted to move the view, I will on the frame and I will move my view. Now here if you zoom your drawing, then you will get here a center mark. So click on this center marks. So here is a center mark scale. This is a 0.5, so I will make it 15. So you can see that center mark is now bigger. Similarly, select this center mark and give it 15. So you can see the center mark is now bigger. Click on refresh. Now we will give the some dimensions. To give the dimensions, select the line, then select the center mark. There is a dimension tab, click on it. So you can see that dimension 75 is added. I will select the center mark and this edge and give the vertical dimension this. So this is how to give the linear dimension. For radius, first select the radius and click on this radius icon, so you can give the radius dimension. If you want to give the diameter, then first select the diameter and click on diameter symbol, so you can give the diameter. Now I will move it to the closer. So this is how to give linear dimension, radius, angle using the dimensions toolbar icon. Now let's see how to edit the drawing templates. To edit the drawing title block field, you will get here the green dot marks. Just double click on it and you will get option to edit it. For example, I have a click on the date, so I can give my date. You can give the designer name, like I give my name. You can give the title. So this is how you can edit the drawing title block field. So once you off the frame, then this green mark will be get removed. Now if you see here, the center mark size we have increased. Once we off the frame, this get removed. So for this, click on this center mark, click on the diameter and click on the center mark, so that center mark will be get inserted. For example, I select this 2 and give the center marks. So this is how to give the dimensions. And now I will off my frame. If you want to change the drawing template size, then click on the template, go to the data tab, and here you will get the template. Click on this 3 dot, then you will get the all default template installed on your system. You can select any template and update your template. So this is all about essential drawing setting in FreeCAD. Thank you for watching and thank you for your valuable time.